The very purpose of having a podcast like this is to give the students an understanding of the different universities that Atmiya Education has to offer all across the globe. So, hello everyone, and welcome to yet another Campus Chronicles of Atmiya Education, where today we'll be throwing the spotlight on International Black Sea University, which is located in Tbilisi, Georgia. So, to give us a deeper understanding of this university, we are joined by our education expert, Akriti. Hi, Akriti.
Hi,
How
Sarda.
are you doing today?
All good. How about you?
Thank you. Same here. So let's begin from the beginning, Akriti. How did this IPSU University that we fondly call it came to, exist?
So, the establishment, the existence of this university is a very fascinating piece of post Soviet history. Basically, the university was established in 1995, where the concept and the main reason for the existence of the university is a collaboration between Georgian and Turkish, education, where they want to come up with a university where they will be catering major courses in English medium and where they can have more international students coming and studying in their country.
So
So it
first
is.
of a kind international university, you mean to say?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
it is. And
lovely.
also where the medium of instruction was English in more than 30 plus courses. So that's where
That's
IPSU comes
fabulous.
into
Yes.
existence. Yeah.
Lovely, Akriti. So, in continuation to this, could you just give us an understanding of the location of the university and a little about the campus as well?
Yes, absolutely. So basically, this university is situated in the capital of Georgia, which is Tbilisi. It's a urban campus in the heart of the city itself. So if I talk about Tbilisi, it's a cosmopolitan environment as it's the capital of Georgia. So the population is somewhere around 1.5 million, and the infrastructure is very very beautiful. As we know that Georgia is a historical country where there is a lot of history. So less number of people and urban atmosphere, that type of place it is, and that is where in the heart of the city the university is there. Yeah.
Fantastic. Great, Akriti. I think dwelling deeper into the topic, could you throw some light on what kind of degrees and programs does IPSU have to offer?
Yes, absolutely. So, as I mentioned, I guess, IPSU is the university which is offering more than 30 plus programs in English and in Georgian at all the three levels of education, which covers bachelor's, master's, and doctoral. So, IPSU is very, very famous for its School of Medicine. That is, I think, one of the high point of this particular campus.
Okay. And what about the accreditations? How does that work in Georgia?
Yeah, so basically, IPSU is accredited by the local Georgian body, that is National Center for Education Quality Enhancement Body, then World Health Organization, National Medical Council, as well as FAMA. So these are one of the top accreditations which is, the university is accredited by.
I would also like to ask specifically what about the international relations program?
IPSU's International Relations Program is awarded 7 years. I think that is a very, very high quality signal for the students, and it
Okay.
is awarded and accredited by the Accreditation Council.
Okay.
So, yeah, so that's where the accreditations are all validated. These international programs are all, accredited by all the top bodies.
So now that we've spoken, Akriti, about accreditations, IPSU seems very internationally oriented. So how does that look like in Georgia?
So yes, it is for IPSU. It is offering some very very good collaborations. They have signed more than 70 plus memorandum of understanding with different universities,
Okay.
some good international organizations worldwide. Also, they are participating in projects like Erasmus Plus, that is the exchange program scenario. DAD is there, which is DAAD, and Tempest and etc. So that type of international relations and partnership they are offering for their students.
So are there any student exchange opportunities as well?
Yes, they do offer student exchange opportunities for in European universities as well as universities in USA as well.
Okay.
They have collaborated with multiple universities, and I think the term international university is
Exactly.
derived because they have been collaborating and trying to get that exposure in Georgia for the students. Earlier, it was for local students, and since they have this collaboration with Turkey and Georgian scenario, it is for all the international students. So yes, they do offer a lot of exchange programs in different countries, primarily European as well as USA.
So it seems like IPSU is a melting pot of different cultures, bringing together, international students on a platform and giving them that kind of exposure.
Absolutely, absolutely.
What kind of opportunities does IPSU provide in terms of research? I mean, what are the main research fields?
IPSU is very famous for the international researches. Actually, IPSU has two research centers of its own. One is the Multidisciplinary Research Center, and second is the International Research Center,
Okay.
by the name of the IPSU Academy and the
Mm-hmm.
IPSU Media Center. So these are the two which is very reputed, international research center, which is owned by IPSU. Yeah.
So, does it even publish its own academic journals as well?
Yes, they do. Actually, they are very, very famous for publishing journals, and the topics which are ranked among the top is in Georgia is neuroscience, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and adding to that, they publish the journals twice a year, and that to be staffed and governed by, or stamped by the top researchers. So that's how IPSU is actually publishing the journal. So it is a very high quality and having a very high value also in the publication of journals aspect, if you are looking.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Akriti, another relevant question. I think beyond academics, what is student life like? What is the student experiences like? So,
Yeah, so IPSU not only is good in academics, but also offers a lot of opportunities for students to perform, sports and cultural activities. They have a lot of clubs inside the campus, so you can participate. Also, university is having one separate segment where they are helping student building their profile, and
okay.
that is the very specific reason I believe that the student is having 90% and above employment ratio, which is as per the data which is provided by the campus. So which is very nice, because what happen is usually we are very good with our academics and we do
True.
maybe 90%, 95%, but the other campuses where, for example, we want to go and work, like these top hospitals, what they are looking for is that what else you have, what is your diversify factor which you are bringing
Correct.
more than academics, right?
True.
So if you are good with sports, you have opportunities there. If you are very good with the arts and culture, then also they have a lot to offer. And
Okay.
then a holistic support to reflect your profile in the best possible manner, so that you will be getting best of the opportunities.
Great. So, Akriti, what is the final takeaway for someone who's considering IPSU as their next option?
Oh, very nice question, Sarda. So, absolutely, IPSU is one of the finest of the universities which has created a multicultural environment for international student. As I think I am repeatedly saying that it is a
Yes.
collaboration happened only and one of a kind of international university. 30 years back, it got established, and since then they are catering a lot of international student. They not only provide the good academics, but they also provide different diversify options to the student, so that you can have a holistic growth in your profile.
Correct.
And then they also provide you international platforms to go and perform. A lot of collaboration is there. So if someone who is looking for good research options, a good degree, recognized university, which is the university which is accredited by some top medical bodies, I think IPSO is hands down one of the great choice to opt for. Considering the fee structure also, the university is falling in the mid range, which
Okay.
is I think catering majorly everyone's pocket. And if you are again a meritorious student, IPSU has some massive scholarships to offer, which comes under CSR. So do visit Atmiya, check about the university, what all scholarships you can get. And definitely if you are a meritorious student, filling an application and trying for your chances, I think that you should definitely be doing. So I would like to conclude with by saying that IPSU is one of a kind of international university which is not only giving you a regular MBBS degree, but also a international platform to travel to multiple countries, take your undergraduate degree, and then do your post graduation from one of the finest of the institution which is available.
So, my final question to you, Akriti. It's been 30 years since, and what keeps IPSU driving forward?
Oh, very nice question, Sarda. So, IPSU is committed to preparing highly qualified graduates equipped with modern theoretical and practical knowledge, along with global human values dedicated to lifelong learning, in order to contribute to the formation and maintenance of a democratic civil society focused on peace and intercultural dialogue through student and staff mobility and professional support in a truly academic environment.
Thank you so much, Akriti, for this wonderfully insightful session. That's a wrap on today's episode of Campus Chronicles. IPSU, born from a Georgian Turkish diplomatic handshake in 1995, now a 30-year-old institution with global reach, 70 plus university partnerships, WHO recognition, and a 98% graduate employment rate. Not bad for a university in the heart of the city. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring. Bye bye.